RUDA, the main target is to educate the public. Education is the main target in RUDA. RUDA is the peaceful political party in Rwanda. Is Rwanda Revolutionary United Democratic Advances for 200 good many causes on Rwanda and 20,000 good many causes on the entire world, and 2,000 good many causes on African basis. As we have said, education is to teach and to learn. Learning is the creation of long-term changes in knowledge, attitudes, and skills. To transform human being capacity from one level to another, being creative, in order to become investors. Before becoming high investors or medium investors or lower investors, you will have practiced the small enterprises, then you will have controlled them as the entrepreneur. Let us have the lesson. So-called entrepreneurship here is an action of consisting a new organization and constituting a new organization in creation of an enterprise. It is a difficult activity, and many of its creations result in failure to some individuals. Its activity